Several years back, my father brought me to Delhi for my higher studies. Because education system in Manipur is quite bad because of the conflict. 3 years of graduation will make it 5 years. When I first came here, people looked at me and called me Chinky. Many years even, they still call me, Bina, which country are you from? आप थाई हो, आप फिलीपींस से हो, आप नेपाली हो. To be called here for the Indian of the Year special achievement is a testimony that there can be Indians who look different from the ones in Delhi, in Mumbai, or in the rest. This is not just an award, but to remind you, ladies and gentlemen, who are the pillars of this country. I know people who are filling up this room can transform the face of India. We want to be in that idea of India, an idea of India where you do not rule us at the barrel of your gun. We do not want the armed forces coming to our homes, coming to our rice fields, picking up our men, women and children. At this stage in Manipur, we set up this network. I had dreams of being a physicist. I never thought I will be nominated along with Anna Hazare in the public service category in my life. But the fact of what is happening in Manipur, where more than 20,000 people have lost their lives, where we do not have the bodies of our people to even bury or burn them, is what is Manipur. Please do not forget the northeast of India. There are people with brains, with talent, and a love for this country as great as yours. Most importantly, I would like to remind that women are always told your place is in the kitchen. Politics is not for women. But in Manipur, we are working very hard in spite of all the guns by both state and non-state actors. We have more than 60 battalions of the Indian Army. We have more than 32 insurgent groups. Guns are pointed at us every day of our lives. But we will continue to show them that our dream for peace is greater than their thirst for bloodshed. If you think you can control our lives with gun power, money power, and corruption, we are there to disprove that this is strong. This award I dedicate to more than 15,000 women of Manipur as well as women of Northeast who have shown India that we the women, if we come together, we can resist violence, corruption, as well as any kind of fear that is a part of our lives. Thank you.